Hello again, everyone. Today we're here with a paper collision, event number 14 of the series. Who win and who lose? The bottom two have been eliminated. Universes and Wojo Rollers. They cannot win anymore, but everyone else still can. In this first heat, we'll have the fireworks and thunderbolts. The winner moves on to semi-finals. The loser will not. As you see here, Thunderbolts gets the victory in the first heat. So they will move on to the top 8. Fireworks, unfortunately, will not. And he will place in the 1916th match. I mean, no, not 1960. He will place in the 9th through 16th. Now, Sparkling Waters and Ketchup. Sparkling Waters, they need to move on if they want the championship alive. And it's gonna be a tie. So we're gonna do this again. Sparkling Waters and the Ketchups have tied. I feel like we're gonna have lots of tiebreakers today. See here, that the Sparkling Waters have moved on. So this championship is still alive for them. Ketchups, they will place 9th at the moment. But again, that can change a lot. Moneyballs and Misty Mystics. Moneyballs got the gold last time. We're going to see them win again. And look at this. 2 members have stayed on. So both of them will won. If both of them fall off, we're gonna go again. And looks like we'll be going again. How intriguing. These two are not letting nothing get the hold of them. Neither of them wants to be eliminated. But, like again, someone has to be eliminated. Anyone else? Yes! The Misty Mystics have hold on. And they will be in semi-final 2. Moneyballs are eliminated. So just as long as fireworks do not advance, they should be safe. And they should still be able to win the championship. Now, Sugar Crush and the Galaxies. Galaxies, they need this more than anyone. Oh, they almost had it. But lost out at the end. So they will have to do it again. Oh, the Galaxies almost had it. Missed out. Can they repeat? No. They done the same thing. Just as we're in the tie 3, the marble who lasts the longest will advance. Galaxies, they need it more than anyone. Can they? Yes! And they stay on the board, and they are going to the top 8, and they will versus the Misty Mystics. Sugar Crush will get best of the rest. Next up, the Honeybees and the Wojo Rollers. The hosts, can they beat the Wojo Rollers here? No! The Wojo Rollers advance. And Honeybees are in dead last again. Oh, what's going on with the host team? I can tell you the fans are not happy right now. Because this season has just came undone for them. Hawaiians and Party Crushers now. Who will advance? And now we'll go to the Party Crushers. They will verse the Wojo Rollers. Hawaiians, they will actually get their last. The Honeybees will at least guarantee 1 point. It's not the greatest, but hey, it's 1 point. Universes and Sweet and Sours. Who will be next to survive? And Sweet and Sours will do that. Did they be in semi-final 4? Universes? Um, 14th at the moment. And now, Electric Eels. Team Mayhem. Who will advance? No one. The tie. The tie right now. Then we're going to do this again. Team Mayhem and Electric Eels. Do it again. Looks like a tie. So, this is, we have 2 ties. This round, the marble that goes off last, that team will advance. And Electric Eels will advance. Just good for them. Fireworks will get 13th. So Sparkling Waters and Electric Eels can capitalize on this. They need it. If they want to close this championship out, they need Fireworks to get lots of bottom halves. Now, semi-finals. We'll start with the Thunderbolts and Misty Mystics. Oh, what a clear victory for the Misty Mystics. They'll get in the top 4. Thunderbolts will get 1 point, so that almost guarantees them the top half result. But now we got Sparkling Waters and Galaxies. Like I said before, Galaxies needs this, but so far, nothing. They have nothing to their name right now. So they will have to do this again. Sparkling Waters and Galaxies. Attempt number 2. And that's going to be the Sparkling Waters who advance. Galaxies, they tried. It's going to be a top 8 result anyway, so that will help them get out of the bottom 4. Let's now got the Wojo Rollers and Party Crushers. The Wojo Rollers just trying everything they can to get out dead last at this point, because it's just been embarrassing for them this season. Like, even if they don't advance to next season, they just want 1 medal to their name at some point. So they will have to go again. And they go to the top 4! Party Crushers are out. So the Wojo Rollers advance to the top 4, and 75% chance of them getting a medal. Now Electric Eels and Sweet and Sours. Who will verse them? So far, it's a tie. So they will have to go again. This is Shocker and Watton. We here. And like every other time, they both push themselves off. So this is going to be another wee one. Electric Girls and Sweet and Sours. Who's advancing? Oh! Sweet and Sours did have a big margin, but it looks like it's going to be another tie. Who's advancing? And it's Electric Eels who will advance. There you go. The Electric Eels have advanced. Good stuff for them, I guess. But now, the big show begins. Misty Mystics, Sparkling Waters. Who will go to the final? Oh, Sparkling Waters almost had it. But you have to stay on the board, you can't go off. Misty Mystics still has a chance. Misty Mystics already have 3 bronzes in a row, so they'll have another medal, and they will get another medal. What colour though? Silver or bronze? Sparkling Waters, we know they're going to get the bronze. Wojo Rollers, Electric Eels. Can the Wojo Rollers get their first medal of the tournament? No. Electric Eels will though, so they will versus Misty Mystics. Can the Wojo Rollers get a bronze at least against the Sparkling Waters? Or Wojo Rollers going to get 4th from Miss Symphonium? Sparkling Waters and Wojo Rollers for the bronze. And it is going to be the Sparkling Waters who will get the bronze. Oh, the Wojo Rollers. They were right there. And they have missed out on a gold. Now, Misty Mystics, and of course the Electric Eels. Who will get the gold? So far no one is getting the gold. They have to go again. Misty Mystics are putting everything they can on the line to win this gold medal. No one. So which means that the last medal with a 4 off gets the gold. But someone has always stayed on. Who will get the gold? And it's going to be the Misty Mystics. Who will get the gold? The Electric Eels will get silver. And the Sparkling Waters, the bronze. Misty Mystics will get the gold. And that's Paper Collision. Well done to everyone who competed in this event. And we will see you for the second last event, the Indoor Rally, the Elimination Race, to close out Season 7.